Dear student, welcome to NIBS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 3 and today's topic is a composition with pumpkin, brinjal and carrot. First I will say you what is composition. Composition means a lot of subject you arrange on a page. Okay, but that looks so much lucrative. So everyone look at this. We have 3 subject: pumpkin, brinjal and carrot. These 3 subject we draw together. So look at this. First draw the pumpkin like this. This one is the pumpkin. Okay, after that brinjal. Erase this line and erase these lines. Okay, after that you will draw the carrot and erase all of those lines. This one is very easy topic. Okay, so look at these 3 subjects I have drawn together and arranged. If you imagine this is your page, if you imagine that this one is your copy. Okay, no one will draw here a pumpkin, here a brinjal, here a carrot. That means no one will draw separately. It's very important to draw the carrot together. So how to draw? First draw the pumpkin. If you want you can give some design or the leaves, but this one is not mandatory. If you want you can draw. First draw the pumpkin, then brinjal and finally I have drawn the carrot. And this one is your HW also. HW number 2. So everyone write down the topic and HW number. And then you will submit it at your school every Saturday 9 AM to 1 PM. So my dear student, no more today. Thank you.